So I had wanted to make a triptych with another 16 by 20, and so I made the 2 flowers on the sides and realized it wasn't right. So I had to make another 16 by 20 to go with my new flowers. So here I'm just using some pre-mixed gray stone, and this is Prussian blue. I see I missed some gray there on the sides. I promise that will get fixed. And this is some phthalo blue. Now we have some aqua, gold, some pearl marmalade. That's one of my favorite colors lately. And titanium white. That will help bring out some of the cells. Just some more gray stone, help the paint move. Using my handy dandy blow dryer. And I am just in love with how these are turning out. My husband coming to check on me in the background there. These videos are sped up to 2 times the speed. I don't normally work this quickly. Oh, but I'm just loving how these are turning out. I didn't really like the center the way it was, so I'm just taking my finger and dragging the colors back in to give it more of a center. And here they are all 3 together, and I'm just thrilled with how they've turned out. That lacing those cells. And this one is just phenomenal. And this is my favorite little baby one. I just love the pearl marmalade and gold that came out in it. All right, so there you go. There's the triptych. Thanks for watching.